Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to play Fortnite on your iPhone. As you might know, Fortnite isn't available to download directly from the App Store anymore. So, we need to find alternative methods. In this video, we're going to be using Xbox Cloud Gaming. First things first, open your web browser. You need to go to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. I'll leave a link to it in the description below, so check that out. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you find Fortnite and click on it. Then, on the Fortnite Cloud Gaming page, click Get Ready to Play. It's going to prompt you to add this to your home screen. Follow the instructions that appear on the screen. Click on the Share button, usually in the middle of the screen. This will bring up a menu. Push that menu up and scroll down until you find Add to Home Screen, and click it. From here, you can rename the shortcut whatever you want. Once you're ready, click Add. Now, as you can see, the Xbox Cloud Gaming app has been added to your home screen. If you click on it, it will load and take you directly to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website we were just accessing. Now we've done this, scroll down again and click on Fortnite. This time, it's going to prompt you to sign in to your Xbox/Microsoft account. Click on Sign In, and go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, click on Create One, just below the Sign In option. Once you've signed in, the page will reload. All you need to do now is click on the green play button. And there you go. We are now loaded into Fortnite. If you rotate your phone, you can play Fortnite in full screen, just as you normally would. As you can see, we have successfully logged into Fortnite and can start playing it just as we normally would. When you play Fortnite for the first time, it may ask you what controls you want to use. As a bonus tip, I highly recommend connecting a controller to your iPhone for a better experience. But for this example, I'm going to use the dedicated on-screen buttons. Now, select your control options. If we click on Play, we can start searching for a game and start playing Fortnite, just as we normally would. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.